It's your girl Tamika back again with another hair video. So I'm hoping that when you guys are watching this video that you have some light bulb moments and some of these hair hacks you'll be able to apply to your regimen and save your hair. Put your favorite oil in an applicator bottle to oil your scalp. This saves time and makes it so much easier to get done with this task. Because if y'all like me, I don't like oil on my scalp. But when I do it just like this. And if you haven't started doing it like this, you need to start. Whenever I use this time-saving trick, it only takes me like a couple of minutes, literally, to finish oiling my scalp. I love it. If your hair is too thick to fit under one conditioning cap, go on ahead and use two. Just put one on each side, make sure your hair is fully covered, and you are good to go for your deep conditioning treatment. Hey, hey! No more hair hanging out of that conditioning cap. Prevent ponytail breakage by oiling your elastic bands. Just place your favorite oil on the elastic band and massage it in before you put it onto your hair. This is a true hair saver. Don't you hate it when you have times when you need hair ties and you don't have any on hand? You can prevent that by attaching it to something that you carry on a regular basis. Your purse. So here I'm attaching it to a buckle that's on my purse. So easy peasy. Always with me. Or you can just attach it to your AirPod case. Put it on your belt loop and you are good to go. Use a tangle teaser to remove dirt and buildup and flakes from your scalp. And the massage feels so good and invigorating. You will absolutely positively love it because I know I do. By using this, I get all of the residue and buildup off my scalp so much easier than me trying to scrub with my fingers. Now, whoever invented the detachable shower head, applause to you because it is a lifesaver and it makes it so much easier to rinse all the shampoo and conditioner out of your hair. Love it. Now, y'all know when you take the hair elastics out of your hair, it's hard and a lot of times it takes hair with it. And that is a no-go for me. Just cut that bad boy off with some scissors and save your hair. I be trying to prevent hair loss by any means necessary. Now, if you have found out that you have cut too many elastics and you have ran out of them and you don't have time to go to the store, you can always take one of those wig caps that you have lying around that you never really use, and you can cut the rim off of that and make a hair elastic. And this one's going to be a lot bigger, but hey, it serves the purpose and works just fine. Shoot, a lot of times when you are in a pinch and you got to go, you got to do what you got to do. You got to rig it up. Ain't nothing wrong with that. If you like this video and you want to see more hair content like this, go on ahead and smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't use the microwave to melt your oils. All you need is a small pot of water, a cookie cutter, a glass container, and you're good to go. Now just add your coconut oil. Turn the stove top on, wait for the water to simmer just a little bit, and there you go. The coconut oil is melting quite nicely. Be sure when you pick it up, you're using a pot holder so you won't burn yourself. Now, if you find yourself short on conditioning caps, you can just go pull one of those grocery bags from below your counter underneath your sink and tie it to your head and use that to condition your hair. It works like a charm. Just make sure it don't have any holes in it. If your hair snags on your car's headrest, here's a trick. Take your hair bonnet and wrap that bad boy around it. Ha! Or you can use a silky scarf and wrap it around it as well. And this will save your hair from getting snagged while you're driving. And I really don't care about what people think because when it comes to saving my hair, I will do anything I need to do to save it. And you should too. Make you a travel hair emergency kit. You know when you have times you need to polish up a little bit, this is perfect for that. So I'm putting a little bit of Edge Gel in an eyeglass container case because it's nice and small and compact. And I'm taking my Edge Gel on the go. So I'm just going to pack up my little emergency kit with a cute little bag that I got from H&M. And it's actually like a nail kit manicure bag that I used, and it was small enough to fit inside of my bag, so it works perfect. So I'm just putting in there hair ties and bobby pins and hair clips and a plastic bag for a rainy day, y'all. Don't forget it. We don't want to get our hair wet. Just sealing that right on up, and I'm going to put that in my purse, and I am ready for emergencies. Ha! If you don't have a hooded dryer or a hair steamer to do your deep conditioning treatments, you can make your own. Run some water over a towel, and I'm using like a hand towel here. Make sure that it's really good and wet, and then take it and wring out all the excess water until it just feels damp to the touch. Now place it in the microwave for 60 seconds to get it good and hot. When you take it out of the microwave, it's going to create steam, and you're going to use this for your hair. I'm getting ready to show you. Now place a conditioning cap on your head and take one of those hot steamy towels and place it upon your head. Be very careful not to burn yourself, and you clip that on. And you can do this as many times as you like until you get your hair conditioned as much as you want. It'll probably take you maybe 5 or 6 times to do it. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to read the description box below. I love you guys so much. See you next time.